What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is officially episode 3 of the stimulus check to 100k challenge. This is a challenge where I pretty much put my stimulus check, my $600 stimulus check, and try to grow it to $100,000. If you guys haven't watched episode 1 or 2, this will not make sense. Please go watch those first videos so you understand this video. But wait. Let me introduce myself in the next 45 seconds if this is your first time watching a video of mine. So I go by Ish the Trapper on Instagram. I come from Southern California and I spent the majority of my adolescent years playing sports and hanging out with friends. I gave birth to my YouTube channel and my rap career in 2017. I used to make videos like pranks, reactions, and little challenges around the town. And to be honest, I still do because I'm really passionate about that kind of content. And I also make really unique music that you can always check out. Link in the description. Anyways, guys, in 2019 I committed to entrepreneurship and scaled one of my businesses to 6 figures. It took me 1 year to do it, and it was one of the most hardest challenges I ever faced in my entire life, and I don't regret one bit of it. You can watch the full video if you're interested about my story. This video is also in the description, by the way, about how I did it and what it took to get me there. Anyways, now my days usually revolve around making a lot of money, driving nice cool Lambos, exotic cars for my Instagram story, and working really hard to hit the 7-figure mark this year. So let me fill you guys in on exactly what's going on and what's happening right now. This has been an extremely successful month, guys. It's been insane. So right now, guys, if you still haven't watched part 2 and part 1, please go watch that video. You will not understand any of this stuff that I'm talking about in this video. But for pretty much in a nutshell, if you're too lazy, if you don't want to watch those videos, pretty much what we did is we started a social media marketing agency. This social media marketing agency primarily has people that want to pay for social media services. Luckily, I have a lot of social media skills. So what I said, screw it. I have companies that are doing hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue, but I said, let me try to do this again. Let me see if I can do this from scratch. Let me see if I could build a social media marketing agency from zero, like $600, that's it, to $100,000. And I'm going to be documenting the whole way through. Not a lot of entrepreneurs could do this. Only a few entrepreneurs that are real can do something like this, and I'm one of them. And I'm here to document and testify this whole video that I'm going to be able to be one of those entrepreneurs that are able to accomplish this feat and document the whole journey through, guys. I hope you guys like this episode, and let's get into it. So in the meantime, guys, after so much work, after endless work, I have finally came up with the number that we have hit today. I'm not even sure of this number either, guys. We're gonna pretty much find out together because I don't really track the numbers that consistently. All I know is where the money's coming from and how much money I've made in each of the platforms.
So I've been making so much goddamn money in the past couple weeks.
So let me break it down for you guys, what you guys missed so far. So primarily what I did is I built an office space. This is an office space that I was already going to be building. Instead of building it for my actual original company, I said, screw it, let's just build it for this second one too and try to scale this to $1 million. By the end of this challenge, guys, I really want to have $1 million company in my back pocket just from a challenge, just to show people that it's freaking possible. So, I mean, I haven't done $1 million in sales, and I haven't yet ever in any company.
It's because you're poor!
But hopefully, you know, by this year, by documenting the whole way through, we're gonna have $1 million company that we're all gonna be able to witness the whole way through, and I'll be able to document everything, so it's gonna be insane. So right now, guys, I wanna show you some numbers of what we've been doing and how we've been acquiring these clients, where they've been coming from, and how much did we have to spend to make the number that we had today. So let's go through it, guys, real quick. So if we go to our Facebook ads, guys, our Facebook ads is right here. Pretty much right now we have 3 ads. We have 3 ads that are currently running on our account for our company, and these ads are doing pretty good numbers. But in total, like the span of the whole advertisement campaign, we have spent about $1,559. So minus that number, $1,550. Okay, that's the number of dollars that we spent in order to pretty much promote and elevate our marketing agency. We pretty much threw that money in there. We had people that are interested in purchasing, that we had people that are, you know, interested in, you know, joining our services or joining our team or whatever. That $1,500 is how much we spent to pretty much promote our business. And all I gotta say is it paid off.
I'm rich!
Anyways, guys, let's go through the numbers. And pretty much how this company works is that I have a website. okay? And these people pay for services on my website. So it's a social media marketing services. So whether they want, you know, Instagram growth, whether they want Twitter growth, Snapchat growth, whatever they want, I can help them and I could, you know, guide them to the right direction. So let's just say it's an entrepreneur and he wants to expand his business and he says, Ish, I want to have 1,000 or 5,000 people in my email list so I could send them frequent updates about my services or my product. And I say, okay, cool, that's awesome. And then he pays me monthly to pretty much upkeep that for him. That's a very, you know, basic way to do it. I've been doing really cool other tactics like social media growth where I scale other people's accounts and help them grow on social media. TikTok is a very big platform that a lot of people want to grow on. So I'm offering services like that. And there's a bunch of different type of services that we offer. We also offer music marketing services. Pretty much, you know, if an artist wants to, you know, grow.
Cinnamon, cinnamon, all feminine, feminine, all venom and heart venom and cinnamon, all venom, cinnamon.
We have platforms and service providers that also take care of all the services, and we just pretty much are the middleman that collects a profit. Hopefully that makes sense. But let's go through the numbers, guys, and let's see how much money have we made with this marketing agency so far. And I know, I get it, guys. A lot of people are weird out here on YouTube and they don't provide legitimate numbers. I'm gonna make sure I make it my priority to show you guys legit numbers. These aren't fake numbers. These aren't, you know, copy paste or inspect element or any of that weird stuff. This is legitimate stuff that I've been working endlessly, guys. I made it my dedicated life goal to make sure that this company hits 100K as soon as possible. So please, just because you guys see these large numbers doesn't mean it wasn't hard. I had to spend a lot of time, a lot of energy, and it took a lot of you know, time and energy for me to build this company. Anyways, guys, let's go into the numbers and let's see how much we have started. So we started the first week of January and it's officially March 3rd. So that means we're about 3 months in. So 3 months into this marketing agency, what kind of numbers have we done? And honestly, guys, it's only been exponentially growing from here. It's been growing, but the first 2 months were really stagnant, and I was taking care of a lot of other operations that I didn't have a lot of you know, priority for this company. Let's just say for like 4 weeks out of the 3 months, I was kind of you know, occupied with other things and I didn't have time to build it. So pretty much, let's just say out of the 3 months, I would say about half a month or one of the months itself was very, very stagnant. And even then we still did positive cash flow, which is insane, guys. I'm telling you guys. Yo guys, I'm editing the video, and when I mean positive cash flow, I mean $10,000 plus profit. Yeah. So let's go through the numbers and see how much money have we made in total. I'm gonna pop open my phone real quick and show you guys the numbers of what we've been doing and how much money have we made in total. So remember, guys, that one number, $1,550, is how much we spent on ads. That's a total amount that I personally spent on acquiring these customers. So let's go ahead and check it out. So first things first, let's open up the Cash App. So we also offer our services, and the people, our customers, can pay through Cash App. So these are all of our clients right here. Obviously, I have to hide the names, but you guys get the idea. So these are all of our clients that we paid through Cash App within the last 3 months. And as you can see, the 52 clients, and it came out to $5,175. At the end of this video, guys, I'm going to be able to provide legitimate proof that each of these people paid, and I'm going to be doing screen recordings and everything like that from my personal Cash App to make sure that every single number you guys see on this YouTube video is 100% legit. Okay, guys? Thank you. Okay, so this is Cash App. And we made about $5,175. Pretty much added to this number right here. So that's the total number. I don't know it yet. I'm gonna do the math at the end, but this is the number so far. Okay, cool. And we also take payments off a couple other platforms. So we also have PayPal as well, which is one of our bigger platforms that we use as well. Pretty much the same way as Cash App. If a client wants to pay through PayPal, we do offer our services to them. So let's just say, for example, we have all these people, not for example, for legit. So all these people right here, all these people have paid so far. So we have about 34 clients that paid through PayPal, and about $4,900 and not $4,975 has been made through PayPal alone. So yeah, there goes that. And yeah, so $4,975 added to this end list. Oh my goodness, bro, I have no idea how much we made. This is scary because this is a lot of money. Anyways, guys, now let's open up the Stripe. As you can see, this is a screen recording. There's no fakeness about this video. Here it is. So oh my God. Stripe is our biggest payment platform, which we offer our services to the most of our abilities. So, I mean, we offer our services most through our website, and through our website, we have options for PayPal and we have options for debit. And debit is pretty much 90%, 75% of how much we actually bring in our revenue from. And PayPal is just a secondary option for people that just just have PayPal and prefer it. And then Cash App is another option that for people that just want to use Cash App. So as you can see, I don't even know. It's freaking 7:30 in the morning. We made $400 today, which was cool, awesome. And yesterday we made $150, which is pretty basic. We made $26,800. What the frick, bro? Yeah, so we made $26,800. If you guys want to see the payments, this is legit payments. You know, this is all legit. So guys, let's go through the payments. So these are all the payments that we went through for our company. And as you can see, these are, you know, a lot of payments. I can't obviously show you guys everything because there's a lot of emails. And every single time you see a slot, that's an email. So I can't be showing you every single person's email. But as you can see, the payments are legit. This is not a Photoshop, what I'm pretty much just trying to explain. But anyways, guys, this is insane. $26,800 revenue, pretty much profit. Just think about it like that after Facebook ads. So let's add it to that number right there. So give me like 2 seconds while I go add all the numbers, and I'll be right back to find out what the actual number is. Drum roll, please. Yo guys, real quick, I wanted to intervene real quick and let you guys know that that number on the Stripe transaction is actually false. We have $27,500. Here's some proof right here. How much money we made. So every single time I mention Stripe, just think about 27.5K instead. So I'll add it in. It will be a edited portion when I talk about the grand total. But yeah, as long as you guys know now. Yo guys, real quick, I need to do another interruption. I made a lot of money in the last 10 days. So pretty much miscellaneous, I made $1,650, another $1,650, and another $7,650 on PayPal. So I'm gonna add it all up, and the grand total right now is this number. I don't know it, but it's a freaking big number. And let's get back into the video. Just wanted to give you guys an update because I was March 3rd when I recorded it. Today's officially March 13th. So there's a big, you know, gap difference. That 10-day gap difference is a lot of days. Anyways, guys, this is the number. And yeah, man, big moves. Holy freaking cow. That's all I have to say. This has been an insane challenge, guys. Obviously, you don't see the behind the scenes of all of the cash flow coming in, but literally my phone doesn't stop ringing. There's at least 2-3 transactions per day. And remember this, guys, we started this business on January 1st with $600, and there's legitimate proof that this was all started in January 1st. You guys can go watch the first video if you don't believe me, but holy freaking cow, guys, this is insane. We're doing so well in this process and this project, and this is just an insane project. And I love you guys thank you guys for joining and watching these videos, man. This has been insane, and I freaking love it. It's an insane company, and I'm just pretty much doing cash flow at the side, and my personal business is doing insane numbers. And I'm gonna give you guys a tour in the next video, pretty much of the office space. Once we hit the 50K mark, I think we'll give you guys a full office space tour. So guys, be ready for that. Click the like button below, guys. If we get maybe a couple hundred likes, we'll go ahead and drop an office tour for you guys, so you guys can see where the operations are being held and how serious I'm actually taking this. Other disclaimers or anything like that, man, this is legit numbers. I want to make it very clear that these numbers are 100% legit, and every month is going exponentially. It's going to be increasing. So this number is just literally the start. Month 3, pretty much month 2, because I had to take a 4-week hiatus, but month 3 in, these numbers are kind of insane, and I don't see a lot of entrepreneurs trying to flex these kind of numbers, especially from starting from scratch. I don't see anyone doing it. Name another YouTuber besides Beahiza probably that doesn't really, you know, grow companies on camera. I'll be honest with you guys. He probably does a couple $100 and calls it a day, but I haven't seen someone like Beahiza or anyone on YouTube that literally could scale a company from $600 to $37,000, $38,000 with only spending $1,500 in ad spend, guys. I have nothing to hide. If you guys want me to show you a part 5 video or part 4 video of me literally just breaking down all the Facebook ads and all that stuff, I mean, I can, guys. I have nothing to hide, and these are just legitimate numbers. At the end of this video, guys, like I said, I'm going to be showing you all the transactions and all legitimate proof that each of these transactions were legitimate. I think this is an amazing challenge. It shows a lot of people that there's possibilities out there, and you don't have to freaking do Forex or do crypto trading. There's other businesses that you can start that literally could take only $600 and you can scale that to the freaking moon. And don't believe all these weirdos that are always trying to say, join my crypto course, wholesale real estate is the way to go. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of other ways. You don't need anything. I have a freaking computer. I have a room. I have a Wi-Fi connection, and that's all I need. Okay, pretty much, guys, if you guys are interested in, messaging me or asking me any other questions about this, I'm pretty much an open book on Instagram. You guys, my DMs are always open. You guys can hit me up whenever. I do have a mentorship program. I'm not going to freaking put the link in the bio. So you guys have no worries. I'm not trying to sell anything to you. But if you're interested in learning more about it, literally just follow me on Instagram. Tap in with me. Let's connect if you're interested. I'm not trying to sell you anything. As you can see, I make more than enough money. Okay. And that's just one of my businesses. I have 3. So what I'm trying to say is I don't really make money off mentorship programs or anything like that. But if you're interested in learning the system, which is obviously working, as you can see, definitely hit me up and we'll probably talk. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. It's Mr. Chopper, and we out. Peace. Yo, guys, I'm back. I wanted to show you guys my numbers real quick. So here they are. This is my PayPal transactions. I think I had like 30 something PayPal transactions. So I'm just going to show you them real quick. As you can see, all legitimate transactions. I'm going to hide the names, obviously, for because these are my clients. I don't want to give out their information like that. But as you can see, you could check the dates. These are legitimate numbers. These aren't fake numbers. So about 30 transactions right there. If we go to Cash App right here, as you can see, these are all legitimate numbers. Can't show you everything, obviously, but you can see the pluses, and they are all real transactions. No fakery going on here. Hopefully you guys are getting some good insight on like how everything's working. As you can see, January 1st, and then August we had so pretty much it ends right here, or it starts right here and it goes up. So anyways, guys, I hope that makes sense. All the transactions, I think this is like 50 right here, and the PayPal ones were like 30 something like that. So hopefully you guys understand that these are legitimate numbers, and we have nothing to hide. And yeah, guys, we're making really, really good progress, and yeah, hopefully that makes sense, and that shows that I'm a little bit more legit than all these weird scam weirdos. Anyways, guys, thanks and peace.